Tired of project chaos? Let's turn Google Docs into your project management powerhouse in just 90 seconds. First, create a new Google Doc. Name it after your project. This will be your central hub. Next, structure your document with clear headings. Include sections for tasks, timeline, meeting notes, and resources. This organization is key. Under the tasks section, create a simple to-do list using checkboxes. Assign owners by typing it followed by their name to notify them directly. Use the commenting feature for feedback and questions. Tag team members to ensure they see your comments and stay engaged. Share the document with your team, granting appropriate access levels. Editor for collaboration, viewer for updates only. Google Docs automatically saves versions. Access version history under file to revert to previous versions if needed, ensuring no work is ever lost. Create a simple table for meeting notes, documenting key decisions and action items, keeping everyone informed. In the resources section, link related documents, spreadsheets, or websites for easy access to all project-related materials. Now, watch your team collaborate seamlessly in real time, all within one Google Doc. Say goodbye to project chaos.